Okay, let's talk about how to preview how your site looks before we publish it to the web, and also review your site to make sure that there are no mistakes before we publish it to the web. What you're going to do to preview it is you'll see there's this little eyeball here. You can click that eyeball, and I'm going to do so, and it'll switch over to preview mode. Now, there are three different ways your site is likely to appear depending on what device is being used to preview it. So this one is the large screen. Somebody using a Chromebook or a PC or a Mac would use this, and this is how the site would look laid out. You can also switch it to a tablet if you want to know what it would look like on an iPad if your digital portfolio were being viewed on an iPad. Finally, you can go to phone mode, which will show you like, okay, if somebody viewed your digital portfolio on your phone, here's what it would look like. Now for our purposes, making sure that this mode, the large screen mode, looks the nicest is what is most important. The other things are just kind of cool to take a look at. You can do that for each of the other pages, just kind of preview them to see what they look like to make sure it looks the way you want it to look. Go ahead and click that X when you're done with preview. The final thing you want to do is a review of your digital portfolio, all of the writing, the spelling, the grammar. I can see I got a little space here I need to fix to make sure that before we publish this thing to the internet, that everything that needs to be fixed is fixed about it. So I'm going to fix some of these things right here. Okay, good looking. Everything's looking good to me. Okay, I myself am proofreading as we're going through. I see little gaps and little mistakes, so I'm fixing those to make sure. Here's a little squiggly line, red squiggly line, but Stewart is spelled that way, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, the rest of these are looking correct to me. All right, fantastic. After you've done a preview and a review, I want you to continue on to the next tutorial.